Welcome back. If you're tuning in, we got the Connex 3300 HP with the stinger board installation. Micro fans have been added. We got one here to cover the four MOSFETs under here, under the board. And we got one right here for exhaust. This radio right here is doing 100 watt PEP, maybe a little over 100 watt. I just wanted to show you the inside of the radio. Not too much going on. Everything nice and neat. Everything well intact. So now we're going to get to it. We're going to test this radio. We're going to see what it's all about. Connex 3300 HP internal view. We back with the Connex 3300 HP with the stinger board. This is the radio put all back together. We do have an RK56 microphone paired with this radio. Sounds amazing. This radio has talkback. This radio has a Roger beat. This radio also has echo. Very nice radio. With this stinger board installation, we're getting 150 PEP watts. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to show you the 150 PEP watts right here. We got the dozy. Right now, I got the radio. If we zoom in just a little bit, I got the radio on low. So we're going to do a power test with the radio on low. This just means that the RM stinger board turned off. So of course, with the board turned off, we're going to set to the 10-watt scale. I just want to show you 10-watt scale right there. And the 10-watt scale, as you know, is the very bottom scale. We'll zoom in on that scale. The very bottom scale. So let's give it a dead key. They booming on channel 28. Let's go to a clear channel. Channel 34, whatever. So we'll do a dead key. So that's like a 2-watt dead key. I'm going to do a couple audio. Audio. So she's swinging past the 10. Let's see what she's really doing. We're going to bump it up to the 100-watt scale to see what she's doing. Now we're on the middle scale. Audio. So with the radio on low power, she's a 30-watt radio. Audio. Right there at the 30. So we're still on the 100-watt scale, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch it to high power. I'm going to turn on the amplifier. High power. If you notice, there's a white LED comes on. Let me switch that amplifier on. There you go. She's on. There's a few fans running in there. Keep it cool. So now we're going to go back to the meter. We're on a 100-watt scale. Remember, 100, right in the middle. That's the middle scale when you're looking at the scale. Middle scale right there. This. So let's do it. Audio. Woo! Past the 100. Audio. We're going to have to go to the 1,000-watt scale so you can see that 150. The 1,000-watt scale is the top one at 1,000. Right here in the middle is 150. Let's go ahead and switch that over because she's well over the 100. There you go. 1,000-watt scale. Focus back. So once again, that's the top scale. Top scale. Audio. Yeah, we right there at the 150. Audio. Nice. So that's it, y'all. Connex 3300 HP stinger board installation, 150 watts PEP right here for you. Take care. Right here, we just have the signal generator. We'll do a receiver test. We got a negative 43 dB of attenuation in this box right here. And then we'll have a plus a negative 30 dB. That should give us an S9 receive signal. We'll have 1,000 hertz tone going through. And then we are also on the live antenna. But let's go ahead and throw the signal in there and see what happens. There you have it. Radio is receiving. And if you look on the meter, we're right there at the 9. So that shows a good receive. So this radio is good to go. Ready for you, Hawkins. I just wanted to mention one more thing. With the RM Italy installation, you do get the dual fuse power cord that's coming with a 12 gauge right here. You need a little bit more current to push the 150 watt. We will be going inside and changing this negative lead. It has I think a 4 amp fuse in it. We're going to put that to a 10 amp fuse. So there's 3 10 amp fuses with this radio setup right here. One on the board inside. A mini fuse is 10 amps. And 2 10 amp fuses will be on this power cord that comes with the radio and the installation. And that's it.